everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna create this kind of look. This is like a, it's not a foxy eyes, but somewhere there with nice blue eyeshadow under my eye, and I think it looks nice. And let's begin to create this kind of makeup. So as usual, I'm gonna put color corrector under my eyes. So now we're gonna make our eyebrows. So I didn't mention like my foundation corrector, like highlighter under my eyes, the brow pencil, because I am using the same products. So now we're gonna make our beautiful eyes, and I'm gonna use the palette, the small palette from Natasha Denona. It's beautiful colors. It's a star palette. So first, what we are gonna do, we're gonna apply this light brown color on our lid, like this. Now I'm gonna take a small brush like this, you know, to draw our wings. We're gonna apply this dark shade of brown. this shiny color this on my lid on top with my fingers. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna bring up here to the and then on the lower eyelash I decided to put this beautiful like bluish color from the Kiko Milano. Is number 57. So we're gonna nice. And now we're gonna put eyelashes. So today I'm gonna use this kind of eyelashes by Bungalow Beauty eyelashes natural. I love this kind of lashes because it looks so natural, like doesn't look like a fake eyelashes. So if you want, you can put mascara. I'm gonna put on my lower eyelash. Now is the time we're gonna put bronzer. Today I will apply by Balm. This is the Palama Mama. put a little bit of this Kiko Milano. It's like let's say blush, but bronzy blush is number 2, to have a little bit of glow. And for lips, we're gonna use Milani. It's number 61, Matte Naked. I always turn the lipstick so I don't use the lip liner, and I think it's nice. So I wanted a little bit like put gloss on top of the lipstick, this one, but I think it's nice. So this is the makeup, and I think it's nice, and like you can even use lunchtime this kind of makeup, like dinner time. So I hope you enjoy my makeup tutorial, and see you next time in my next video. Bye.